The label tool can be used to identify elements in your data, which is helpful for presenting or publishing the data to others. You can create individualized labels for each dataset with the Label Wizard. To begin, highlight a project, go to the Project dropdown, and click on Labels. Click Add Label to create new titles. Highlight a label and click Edit Label to alter titles. Highlight a label and click Delete Label as necessary. Exit the wizard and reload the project in VR.
If you have gone in and used your label wizard correctly, your label tool should have names hovering above the controller. Use your radial menu to scroll right and left through the labels, and then reach into your data and pull the trigger to drop a label. The labels will stick with the data wherever you move it and expand it. The next option is to toggle the labels on and off. In case they're in the way for a moment, you can just turn them off. And eraser mode is the bottom option on your radial menu. Just point the red cross at the labels and pull the trigger to delete. Go to syglass.io/academy for more tutorial videos on how to use syGlass. Thank you.